All right, Corvette project fans. Here's the update. I've been sanding with 400 and it's looking good. So this is the, those of you who haven't been watching the entire time, this is the final coat. This is the sealer coat after the initial coat and then the high build coat. And what I'm doing is just going around. What I've done so far is I've gone through the major flat areas. I have not gotten into a lot of the curved areas or the edges. Gotta stay away from those. And then be very careful, because I did break through on a couple spots. Let's see, like here, right here. It's easy to do, especially on a sharp corner, but this is looking pretty good, you guys. So this whole back area is done. Well, no, not the very back. The fenders, the top. This area is done. It's kind of dusty right now, but did this a couple days ago. And I'm just chipping away. But I'm really happy with the way this all turned out. I mean, this was, I don't know if you remember, but this had those little pinholes in it. And now it's smooth, super smooth. So it's good. I did this, so I did the front this morning. I just did these, like I said, the main large areas. And I got into here a little bit, you know, just to kind of check it. And everything's looking good. I'm not actually using guide coat at this stage because I used it on the last stage, and I'm very happy with the way this has. Basically, it's just blocked. I know it's hard to see with all the different light that's happening right now, but I'm really happy with the way this all blocked out. So I'm just taking off the orange peel at this point, you know, with for the primer, and trying to, yeah. I mean, that's all I'm doing. Is taking off the orange peel. This all turned out great. Hopefully, you know, it holds up over time, but I mean, it's looking good. It's very smooth, even, very nice. So that's it for right now. I'm just gonna keep whittling away. I'm just doing a little bit here and there. Thought I'd come out this morning and get some done. It's getting hot now, so I'm gonna go do something else, and then I'll hit it again maybe this evening. All right, thanks for watching.